Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert star and crescent symbol in Word document. In the first method you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together, and in the search icon you need to click on that and type star, and then here you need to find it, and here it is. You just need to click to insert it, close it and select it, go to the home and change the effect whatever you like it. So in the second method you need to click on the insert, click on the symbols, click on more symbols, and in the font you need to select the SEGOEUI symbol, and in the subsect you need to select miscellaneous symbol, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You just need to select it, click insert and close it, and here you can see that you can select it, go to the home and change the color of your choice, for example this one, and you can also change the color to the here green. So in the third method, which is the quickest way to type the symbol on the laptop or desktop without using any menu. So open your Word document and click where you want the symbol, and then type 262A, and then immediately press Alt Text Alt together. The text 262A will instantly transform into star and crescent symbol. So in the fourth and last method, you need to hold down the Alt key on your keypad and then type 9770 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. The symbol will appear instantly. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.